to save some money and invested in a restaurant. But
Okay.
I was not able to make up the costs. Operational costs were really high, and that's why I had to close it down.
Okay.
So it was a bad time, and I had to grab a job. After
Okay.
that, I worked for about another 5 years. So it was a mix of great learning experience and working among the professionals. And after that, now I've started with this copper bottle project.
Mm.
Meanwhile, I have also done certifications in fitness. I am a certified nutritionist, and that's why I wanted to do a business into health. And
Okay.
this time, I wanted to keep holistic health into mind.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, I thought for about 3 months, and I was also thinking about a scalable project that can actually do well in the Indian market as well as abroad.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a product which can actually disrupt the plastic bottle market because everybody is against plastic these days.
Mm-hmm.
And glass bottles are fine, they are classy, but they have a limitation that they break.
Yeah.
And again, steel is costly. Everybody cannot afford it, but people who can afford it does not get any sort of health benefit that a copper bottle can give.
Yes.
So, keeping all those things in mind, we have designed some beautiful designs for the copper bottles. So, basically, what we have done, we have tried to solve a problem. The problem with copper bottle is it turns black. Okay.
Okay.
So the true identification of copper is it will turn black when it is left open into the nature. It will interact with the oxygen and gets oxidized. And there is a thing which is called patina, which comes over it. You can remove
Mm-hmm.
it by using vinegar and lemon, but who actually loves to do that? Nobody does.
Mm-hmm.
Only serious people and copper drinkers and Ayurveda people, but they are very
Mm-hmm.
less in number. So that's why we thought of this issue and we came up with two solutions. One is the antique design. We give a beautiful antique royal black look to the copper bottle, and there the blackening problem goes because we have already made it black.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the raw copper look. This has not been pre-oxidized from outside. There are people who love the raw look of the copper because it is elegant in itself. So that's why and this is a design for those people who don't have a problem cleaning the copper bottle every once in a while. Everything that we do from start to end is completely handmade. The
Okay.
bottle is shaped handmade, जो चूड़ी लगता है that is handmade, जो ढक्कन बनता है that is handmade, design लगता है that is handmade. You understand?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so this is a completely handmade pure copper product, and the copper that we use is 99% pure and certified copper. We also plant a tree with one bottle we sell. This is something that we have picked up as a mission, as a social cause. Apart from this, we have also kept the weight of our copper bottles in mind because copper is a very light and malleable metal and it gets a dent very easily if the weight of the copper is not much. Therefore, what we do, we make our bottles, for example, a 950 ml bottle, we make it from 300 grams of copper, which makes it pretty sturdy and long lasting. And along with that, we do have a premium customer support in place because we understand that this is not just a product, it's a lifestyle. It has to be a part of your diet. मैं एक बार इसकी
Mm.
साइंस समझा देता हूँ काम कैसे करता है. कॉपर एक ओलिगोडायनेमिक मेटल है. ओलिगोडायनेमिक का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर वो पानी के कांटेक्ट में आएगा और 8 से 10 घंटा वहां पर रहेगा तो कॉपर आयंस विल गेट इन्फ्यूज्ड इनटू द वाटर. ठीक है.
Mm-hmm.
And it will kill all the bacteria and pathogens present into the water. ठीक है. And
Acha.
hence making the water alkaline in nature. ठीक है.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
ये जो एल्कलाइन वाटर है जब आप सुबह उठते हो 6 से 8 घंटे की नींद के बाद आफ्टर
Mm.
6 to 8 hours ऑफ फास्टिंग स्टेज योर स्टमक इज वेरी एसिडिक. HCl सिक्रेट करती है आपकी बॉडी. राइट,
हम्म
डाइजेशन
हम्म
के लिए, राइट। तो
हम्म
इसीलिए सुबह सुबह जब आप ये अल्कलाइन वाटर एक एसिड बेस में मिलाते हो, इंजीनियर हो, साइंस थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा होगा, आई एम श्योर,
हम्म
so you know that it compensates and it balances a lot of things in your body, which gives a lot of health benefits. Number one includes it actually boosts your immune system. आपको वायरल वगैरह, सर्दी बुखार जुकाम वगैरह इतनी जल्दी से नहीं लगता। उसके बाद
हम्म।
चोट लग जाती है तो जल्दी हील हो जाती है।
अच्छा।
उसके बाद ब्रेन बूस्टिंग में हेल्प करता है, स्किन ग्लो करता है, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम बहुत बढ़िया से इम्प्रूव करता है, बाउल मूवमेंट अच्छे हो जाते हैं। फिर उसके बाद आपका जो जॉइंट है, जॉइंट के लिए सबसे बढ़िया माना गया है ये। और अर्थराइटिस वाले लोग ना, जॉइंट में इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है, जलन होती है, वो कम करता है। सो ओवरऑल बॉडी की हेल्थ को देखता है ये 1 लीटर पानी। इसीलिए हमारा जो वेरिएंट है, जो हमने 1 लीटर में ही निकाला है, बच्चों के लिए अभी हमने निकाले हैं 650 ml में। बट अभी हम वो मेड टू ऑर्डर वही बनाते हैं, अगर हमारे पास कोई ऑर्डर आता है।